Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our next lecture from the course on Facebook marketing. I'm very excited to be here with you because I want to show you in this lecture an app that I absolutely love. It will be very useful in creating your images for social media posts, Twitter posts, Instagram, whatever type of social media channel you use. But I will show you some examples on Facebook ads because this is what we are mainly talking about in this course. And you will see that you already have some presets that you can use, and that will make your work much easier in creating a perfect ad that you can use and that can be relevant for your niche, and that can get you conversion and very good click-through rates, and obviously very cheap ads. So the app is called Snapyo, exactly as you see here in my browser bar. Okay, I will also maybe add you a text at the end of this lecture with the name of the app. Okay, and it's practically a cloud-based app where you can you create an account for free. Okay, you can use it from any type of browser or from anywhere you are and you have internet, on a computer, on a laptop, wherever you want. And also the nice thing is that all the ads that you create, all the images, the graphics that you create will be saved in this cloud-based app, and you will have access at them at any time to edit them, download them, or do whatever you want with them. So as you can see here, I'm actually logged in my account, so you can create different type of graphics with this app. Okay, as you can see here, this is my dashboard. Here I have my graphics. If I will enter my graphics, it will show the designs that I have already created. For example, I have this one here. Okay, this is an example, it's an older one. And if I will go to the create graphics section, I will have more types of posts, ads, images, designs from which I can select. Okay, standard dimensions that the biggest social media platforms are using. For example, I have social media posts. Okay, if I want to create an image that I will use for a post on my social media channels, I will select from here and create a post. As you can see, I have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. This is absolutely awesome. Then I have the ad section for Facebook ad, normal Facebook ad carousel, because you know that you have the images that are coming one after the other in the carousel. Then you have the Twitter, okay, and then you have some standard type of banners, okay, like leaderboard, skyscraper. Also you have for blog, okay, blog featured image, blog normal image, headers for your emails, Twitter or Facebook cover photo. Okay, I will show you now some examples with the Facebook ad because that is the most important for you. Okay, and that is the one that you will probably use this app the most for. So if I will click on the Facebook ad button, okay, I have some options here, and in my opinion you should use these options because they are preset images that are proven to convert. Okay, they have created them specially to be proven to convert, and you can edit them. Obviously you have the option to create your own from scratch, but it will be harder because you have to insert everything. But here you have the option to select a template, okay, that has been already proven to work, and you have a lot of templates here. And also very important, be careful, you know that Facebook has the 20% text rule. Okay, you cannot add more than 20% text in an image of an ad because otherwise it won't be approved by Facebook. Okay, and these ads are all already created in such a way, okay, in such a manner that they respect this rule of 20% text. So you just have to replace the text with your own, and you're ready to go. Okay, maybe you want to add some more icons, I don't know, graphics to the image, but you're ready to go with the text. And as you can see, you have a lot of templates here. Okay, for example, launch your career, I like this one very much. Okay, the guide to copywriting, boost productivity today, grow your traffic fast, summer deals. Okay, there are more than I've seen the last time I've entered on the app. Okay, for webinars, okay, free webinar today, free PDFs, okay, reports, how to sell online, okay. So you have different types of images, okay, of templates that you can use. For example, let's select this one, okay, 0 to hero. So you have an example exactly how you can use the app itself. Okay, we are just waiting a couple of minutes for it, a couple of seconds for it to load. It has been loaded already. Okay, so for example, this one could be for accounting services. Okay, an ad, maybe if you have an accounting firm, this can be an ad for accounting services. Okay, the nice part is that you can edit everything from this ad. For example, you can edit here the text. Okay, you can select your fonts, your dimensions for your fonts, but the dimensions I recommend you to leave them as they are. Okay, the alignment, the text opacity, okay, you can make it to be more transparent if you want to. You can move it as an object backward, okay, or forward on the canvas. Okay, you can select the color. You have a lot of options. You can add effects to your okay, to your background, to your ads, to everything you want. For example, you have a color overlay on this background. You can select the effects. Okay, you can make it more blurry, for example, and so on. You have different types of effects. Okay, coming on to the editing part. Okay, coming again to the editing part. For example, you have this icon. You can select its opacity. Okay, text again. You can practically edit everything you see here. Now, if you want to add more things, okay, to this image, for example, a different background, you want to select a different background. If you go to the background section, you will see you also have some templates here. Okay, you have some templates, or if you do not find what you want, you can upload your own stuff. Okay, my media, you just go to my media, you upload an image, and that's it. It's simple as that. Okay, for example, I can select this one here, and you will see it will load in the background. As you can see, it's in the background. Okay, I can select the coffee one. So you have different options. It's a very cool. You also a very cool app. You also have patterns from which you can select. Okay, as you can see here, different types of patterns that you can use for your images. My recommendation, for example, this ad has blue in it. I wouldn't put blue in it, but you have the other elements that will get your viewers' attention. But I wouldn't use blue because it's Facebook color, and people can think that that maybe it's an app from Facebook or something like that, and your ad won't be so attractive anymore. Okay, so you have all of this. You have standard color. You can select just a standard color for your background. So you have a lot of things that you can use. Then you have graphics. Okay, you can insert graphics, different type of icons in your image, which can be very useful. Illustrated type of images have been proven to convert very well. Okay, so for example, you have here this small computer. You can select something else. Okay, for example, we can delete this image. Just press the delete button, and we can add something like, okay, 26. This can be a declaration day. Okay, when people have to go to the financial administration, okay, and give their income declarations or something, it can be representative. Okay, it was like a joke, this. So, but it's an example. Okay, you can use everything that you want here to create your ad more relevant, okay, for your niche. So use this because these icons can be very useful for you. Okay, it can make your ad much more relevant for your niche. Okay, so you have different types of icons here. You can combine them, use them in different styles. Okay, so this is a very nice feature that the app has and that you can use in your advantage. As you can see, there is a large number of